Hey everybody, I just made a video and it's a little bit too long, so I'm going to make this one a really short video. So long story short, I draw a spherical maze on the screen, and basically these are the variables I use to calculate the number of grid spaces in a polar coordinate grid. Most of this code is borrowed and then modified to actually work for me, because working in OpenGL, you're not dealing with a regular screen space. You're dealing with -1 to 1, so everything's a decimal point. Like a single pixel in the x direction is 0.00104, and the y direction is 0.00158, and that's for 1920 by 1080p. And I've memorized that because I'm a math nerd. So this is the gist of it right here. I have two different modes in this particular function. The mode 0 inside the loop here will initially draw the maze, and I randomly decided inside the loop to draw a random color or black so it doesn't show up, and same here. And then so with mode 1, what we're doing is we're not looking at the colors whatsoever, and it's since we randomly chose the color and all the grid spaces are filled in, we don't really have to worry about whether something has been drawn or not, and re-extracting and extracting and taking out and redoing the calculations. All we do is we add a little angle offset when we redraw everything based on the inner loop again inside the mode 1, which is the update mode. And we keep track of where we're at inside the loop, going through our vertices with a v-index variable. And so I added a different offset for each row of the sphere as it goes out from the center, and so each row is going to turn in its own direction. There's the draw. This is the code to update the sphere. I just called it mode 1 there, and then there's that. And then the initialization code for the sphere is right here. Actually, I'm going to change this to 3 because I want every third one to rotate in the same direction. So we loop through all of the rows. With each loop, we go 3 times. So we're covering 3 rows, and so there's an inner loop that loops through 3. And then basically it looks like this. So every third row is going to rotate one way, every third row is going to rotate the other way. They all have random speeds, and there it is. And then I've also got, so the background is actually still being drawn. It's just that in the fragment shader, those dots and blocks and stuff are kind of blacked out, using the discard in the fragment shader. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.